it's Samantha Erica and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair video. I'm going to be blow drying my hair. It's going to be my first blowout of 2019. So if you guys want to see how I blow dry my hair, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting on freshly washed hair. My hair has been washed in these twists and I've been air drying them for a couple hours now, so it's damp but it's not like dripping wet. So I'm just going to be starting on one section at a time. I'm just going to start at the back and I'm going to pin all the rest of my hair out of the way like this. I'm just going to go ahead and take the first twist out. And I'm just going to start by applying my As I Am So Much Moisture Hydrating Lotion, and that's what that looks like. I'm just going to apply a little bit to my hair just because, like literally a dime size amount, just because I don't like to apply too much product to my hair when I am blow drying it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to the first section. And the heat protector that I'm going to be using today is by Chi, and this is the 44 Iron Guard. That's what it looks like. It's just a thermal protection spray, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray a little bit on the first section. This bottle is a little bit hard to spray, but I'm just going to use my body to hold it as I press it. Yep, so I'm just going to apply a little bit to the first section. And again, I'm just going to make sure it's detangled. And I'm going to be using my old blow dryer. This is my Conair blow dryer that I always use. That's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put it on high but warm air. High and warm air. So after blow drying my hair with my wide tooth comb, I like to go ahead and blow dry my hair with a finer tooth comb, just because I find that when you blow dry your hair with a fine tooth comb, it makes your hair a lot smoother and a lot straighter than it does with a wide tooth comb. applying my hair, and this is what it looks like. It's very light and fluffy. That's what it looks like from the back. I really like how it turned out. I am thinking about straightening my hair though, but if I do end up straightening it, it's gonna be tomorrow. It's not gonna be tonight because it's already late and I don't feel like straightening my hair tonight. I'll see tomorrow. I'll decide whether or not I'm gonna straighten it, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And if you guys are curious about this t-shirt I'm wearing, it is from SWEETBUDDS Boutique. So if you guys want, you can just go ahead and check out the link in the description box down below if you wanted to copy yourself one of these t-shirts. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscription button down below if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!